reduce the pain of person?
Without meditation, how can you reduce the pain of a person? Meditation has truth, right? Provided you go deep into it. Most of the people try out meditation for a few days, see if miracles happened, and you expect and you shift the various approaches of life. That is point number one. Second thing of meditation is that I've seen many people who meditate, they go outside, see a beggar, they will shout. So what happens in that? You meditate, you got this energy, you go and tell this, you go and shout at that beggar, you lose all the energy which you made in the meditation to this beggar. Then you will say why meditation doesn't work. Right? So what you got to understand, meditation gives you a positive energy. Truly if you do it in the right sense, not sitting in one corner and thinking about the monkey. Right? So what I'm trying to say is that the meditation by certain specific people who are well off and who have changed the world, taking different courses which actually helps you to get to understand the truth. That is one way of doing it. I don't meditate. My point is, can my actions be equal to meditation or not? Can my actions be equal to meditation or not? Now how do you reach to that level? What is meditation at the end of the day? Using your mind to connect to your heart in simple way. Heart is where I believe for some people is that's where God or the universe sits. So what you're trying to do, you meditate, use your heart and try to understand what the heart is. Because heart is where love is, heart is where peace is, heart is where everything is, what you're looking for. But what happens is that you sit in your mind. So to control that mind or to calm that mind and to connect to the heart, you meditate. But my point is, if you do what you love doing, don't you think you're doing what your heart wants? So when you do what you love doing and the result is positive, it is your heart wants to do. When you do what you love doing and if the result is negative, it is your mind. Right? So what you got to do is, I believe, keep taking good action. Keep taking positive actions. Right? Rather than sitting. For example, a mother has a child due to some reason, she's not studying. Okay, for example, what the mother does, goes and prays, goes and meditates, improve my son, heal my son, right, so that I get calmness. As a mother, go and ask your child what the problem is. Give him time, give him that love, try to train him, automatically he will do well. Why sit and meditate in one corner? So you completely control your life. So you yourself can step in and change. For example, to remain calm, I'll give you my own life example. You know how my session was yesterday? 11 o'clock I started, gave a session for 2.5 hours. In break I used to talk, it was for a company. I did, scribing, heard of scribing? Heard of scribing, medical scribing? No? Okay, some of you have heard. So it's an organization what they are. So they have trainers and trainees. So my session was from 11 for 2.5 hours. After that had an afternoon shift. I did it for the afternoon shift. Another 3 hours I spent with various teams, various senior managements. I did it for the night shift and reached back at 4 a.m. I slept for 2 hours, got up at 7, got ready and came here at 10. Now you'll ask what happened to my sleep. Right? Now after your meeting, I got to go back. There is an owner of the school want to talk personally to me for some personal issues. I got to talk with her. After that, tonight I got to fly to Bombay. Tomorrow I got to fly to Hyderabad. You will say, how can I find calmness? Do you find in my face any sign of sleep? That is meditation. Do you get the point? When you do what you love doing it, when you keep doing it, what you love doing it, and you know the benefit is really good for the world and yourself, you're meditating. So you can meditate 24/7. You can meditate every second, provided you do what your heart wants to do. And when you keep doing what your heart wants to do, everyone over here is meditating. When your mind starts doing what they want to do, you will find ways to meditate, to calm that mind, to connect to the heart. Do what your heart wants to do, you meditate. Did I answer the question? Or is it too complicated and spiritual? It is simple, right? What I believe is for every spiritual aspect, because since we talk meditation is to do with spirituality. For every spiritual aspect, there is a similar practical aspect going on. My point is focus on the practical aspect. Obviously, your spirituality gets fixed. At the end of the day, what is spirituality? You want to all end up dying and having a good life, right? But my question is, if you are a good mother, if you are a good father, if you are a good son, if you are a good daughter, if you are a good human being, don't you think you will have good death, which you are looking for at the end of the day? I'm not saying no to meditation. Go ahead and do it. It is a good process if you find peace. But if you're not getting peace and the result is still the same, there is something else. You are not doing that meditation properly. Doubt clear? 100%? Okay, go ahead. Ask any questions. Yeah.